सामने देखो, हम हैं सुल्तान, सब पकड़ लेते हैं, सब जगड़ देते हैं। यहाँ तक कि हम सब कैद कर लेते हैं। बताओ नहीं यहाँ किस मकसद के लिए आए हैं और इनके साथ क्या सलूक किया जाए, छोड़ दिया जाए, कैसा दिया।
Guys, good morning. Another vlog here in Lahore, Pakistan. We are here in Lahore Fort. We're in this Lahore Fort is around 20 hectares, right?
Yeah,
Total
40 acres. 40 acres. Total
40 acre, but this Lahore Fort itself is around 20 hectare. I've seen and checked it, and around this is like in the years of Emperor Akbar. Is it right?
During the 16th century.
16th century.
Yeah,
Okay.
during that time the whole city was covered with a wall and 13 gates, right?
Yeah. And guys, we have here our guide. What's your name again?
So my name is Samuel. So I'm
Samuel,
working here
yeah.
as a tour guide. So
Yes.
he's our client. So we are welcoming here. All those people come from different part of the world.
Yes.
Our first priority, all those come, they get great impressions, happy memory, unforgettable time from here.
What is this here?
So that is the place, where they used to teach, Holy Quran, which is we call madrasa.
Okay.
Children used to go for study.
Mm-hmm.
Now they're doing the renovation through the Wall City Authority.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're going to renovate all buildings. So over there you can see the main entrance of Lahore Fort, which was built by the great Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb Alamgiri when he was here during this time period in 1673. During this time, so over there you can see in the middle of garden this small building that is we call Barandari. And you know why we call
Barandari?
It has a 12 gate around the building. So was built by the Emperor of Sikhism, Maharaja Jit Singh, when he occupied on Punjab in 1799. So he built this place in 1813 for the remembering of Sikhism.
Okay.
So over there you can see behind the tree the white and dome. That's the Sikh temple.
Sikh
The
temple.
Emperor of Sikhism, they buried here. Actually, according to their religions, they never buried. They burn and they make samadhi, which is like a grave.
Okay.
So it's a
And this one is the Lahore
the
Fort.
main entrance of Lahore Fort.
Is this
right?
open? It's
Yeah,
like,
actually, this
but there's
side they are
another
making
way.
Renovation, so we need to
Okay.
go to the another side.
We'll check that.
31 to 32.
Yeah, guys. Coming here, the entrance fee
Yes,
is
sir.
500 for foreigners and 50 for locals. And I would like to show you that I'm wearing the shalwar kameez right now, and it was comfortable. And I hope you like it, guys. It is the entrance of Lahore Fort and other. It's the area. So this place.
So this is the place we call Diwan-e-Aam, the Hall of Audience. The Mughal Emperor used to stand there, over there in the balcony, and all the audience standing there.
Emperor Akbar, yeah?
No, Emperor Shah Jahan.
Shah Jahan.
Yeah, used to stand there. So
Is
once
it-
again, let me
is this
explain to
used
you
as a
about the
mosque?
gate. Over there you can see that is the first entrance gate of Lahore Fort, which is we call Alamgiri Gate. Was built by the great Mughal Emperor during his ruling time 1556.
Okay. It's long time.
Yeah, so we came through this side.
Yeah.
And around the wall, these are the security points soldiers used to stand there, protect from enemy.
Correct.
So every night after sunset, they close all the gate to protect from enemies.
Okay. So are these walls here? These are like the real walls before, or it has been
they've
reconstructed?
Been, many time renovation.
Renovation
So we
already.
like to make picture with the royal costume. You see, they have a different kind of costume. I think if
It's
you
a-
wear, you will looks like belong to royal family. Many
I have-
people come here as a foreigner.
This one is okay already. The one I'm wearing right now.
So up to you, right?
I'm already.
So this is the place. Look at our here. So Emperor Shah Jahan used to stand here, and all the audience standing here.
Okay,
So
and
he
then
frees
it's
from
the leader.
here.
Yeah.
He's freed from here. This place was built during the 17th century, 1631 to 33.
Okay. That's too long.
Yeah. So
Really
look over
long
there.
time.
These are all the costumes for the visitors when they come here to make
Yeah.
visit. During this moment, they can make selfies, picture. But I think you are not interesting.
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
I'll tell you.
This one here is more cold at least.
Yeah, more cold.
We can get out of very bad condition outside. Oh, that's nice. And
So now we are here. So this is the place, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan sleeping chamber.
okay, but mostly these are for guests.
This place, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan used to
Shah Jahan
sleep here.
quadrangle.
So over there you see the white building, that is we call the One House. The hall of private audience was built by Hakim al-Muddin in 1645.
Okay.
So look in the middle this place, there used to be a fountain during the evening they are working.
It's a
But
quadrangle
now,
they call.
So now because of renovation they are stopped and soon they're going to
here
start.
inside?
Yeah, so this is the place where Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan used to sleep. The sleeping chamber, look on the top, the roof covered with the mirror. Now with the passage of time, many of them falling down, but still you can see some of them.
Is this changed or renovated already?
Yeah, it's many time renovated, yeah. So look, this wall used to covered with hands paint and picture frames, but some of the colors still are there.
See, like this. Is this
Yeah, which is
made by people
yeah,
or
yeah. Many times I will
like,
come with the different foreigners, they really don't like, people writing their name for the memory of their next year, which is very unique.
outside?
So they are presenting the same way during the 16th century, how they welcoming when the Mughal come. So I think you can record them. It is very nice for your vlog. They're going to speak and you can make some clip. So you need to stand in the middle. So give me your phone. I can make your video clip, right? So
okay.
For that you need to pay something for them for performing, right?
How much I'm paying for them?
Actually, as you wish, as you wish. There is nothing fixed, they are welcoming. So it's already working. So I just have to keep like this.
It is.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
So it's
सामने देखो, हम हैं सुल्तान, सब पकड़ लेते हैं, सब जगह देते हैं। ये फोटो बनाने आप वीडियो?
नहीं, ये वीडियो है।
सामने देखो, हम हैं सुल्तान, सब पकड़ लेते हैं, सब जगह देते हैं। शाह ताकि हम सब कैद कर लेते हैं। बताओ ये यहाँ किस मकसद के लिए आए हैं और इनके साथ क्या सलूक किया जाए? छोड़ दिया जाए, कैद कर दिया जाए,
इनको कैद कर लिया जाए।
लेकिन हम इनको ज्यादा क्यादत नहीं रख सकते। महंगाई का दौर है, हम इनको आजाद करते हैं, साथ ही ले जाओ। होशियार शहजादा हिंद किंग तशरीफ ला रहे हैं। खुश
Thank you. Hi.
called bath.
This one here?
Yeah.
Hammam.
The hammam, Shahi hammam, like a Turkish bath.
Yeah,
There is
Moroccan
a
bath
different,
like this.
different portions for the hot water and cold water, and this is the place where we used to take bath. So just look over there. So that is the place where they used to take bath. Over there, you see, through the stairs they're going down and then they're taking bath. It used to be full of deep water.
Ah, okay. Nice.
Now because of renovation, there.
And also here outside they do this for
Yeah, that's the
hammam.
place. Where the animals used to drink water, horses,
And now they have lace.
yeah, the laces, yeah, exactly. So on the ground you can see these are the carpet designs.
It's like a tiles.
Yeah.
Is it tiles, no?
Yeah.
Like a, but this is like a marble.
Yeah, this is the white marble coming from northern Pakistan, from Swat Valley. And look on the ground, the black one. This is coming from Gandhara art from Buddhist University. Before Islamabad, there is a place called Taxila. Gandhara art, Buddhist University.
Taxila.
Yeah, Taxila.
Yeah.
So this is coming from there, from Buddhist University. The black stone.
This is Mahal, and you can go inside here, but there is entrance fee of 100 rupees.
Palace of Mirror was built by great Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, especially for his wife for Mumtaz Begum, Lady Agra, 1631 to 32. So look on your right side over there on the corridor. During the 16th century, they don't used to have electricity. So during the evening, they used to put oil lamp candles.
Okay.
Then they can get some light. So on your left side, this place used to be the court of Emperor Maharaja Jeet Singh Court. And in Jeet Singh sitting there, all the audience staying there and it breathes with audience. So look over there in the middle of this place. This is the place they used to collect water, the well.
The well.
Yeah, during
okay.
the 16th century. But now it's not working. Might be
No more water.
Yeah, no more
Dried
water.
up.
Yeah, dried up. So now through this gate we're going to the Palace of Mirror. The most impressive place inside Lahore Fort was built by Shah Jahan during the 17th century, 1631 to 32.
Yeah. So you will see the most
Impressive
place
of the
fort. So
look on your right side. This is the place where the Mumtaz Begum used to live. The Palace of Mirror. So let's walk through this side. Go to this side. Look at here, the original door from the 16th century. Around this wall, they used to have a picture frame, and on the roof covered with glass. But with the passage of time, most of them are falling down.
Okay.
They repainted many times. So now
This
again,
one, no?
later, after some
It's
time,
gone.
repainted again.
You can see it's gone.
Yeah, the passage of time is gone. Almost.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to show you the place where they used to store water. So look at here. So this is the place every morning they feed the tanks. So water with pressure falling from here, then through to this channel going into the big hall. So
this one here.
Have a water fountain here.
Okay.
So in the middle of the small stage. So every evening Mumtaz watching the peacock dance. You know, during the evening the peacock playing dance and fountain used to work.
Yes.
So she loved to see the peacock dance. And over there on the corner you can get a place we call Nalakha. Because during that time they spent here 900,000 rupees. They covered with a different costly stone, lapis lazuli and all other.
Okay.
So let's get closer and you can understand.
You mean to say like the materials?
Yeah, like the
real
real stones, different costly real stone. Some of them you can still see today. So on the ground you can see these are the carpet design, different carpet designs.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there is.
We used to cover everywhere, but now with the positive time, some of them has gone, but some of them are still there.
Yeah.
Look on the roof, we used to cover with the mirror.
Mirror also. What does mirror symbolizes? Like why they usually do or put mirrors on the ceilings and
The first light of the day, she's watching from the window when she used to leave there. So that's why they make this place called Nalakha. So from here you can cover three places: Badshahi Mosque, Sikh Temple, and on the right side, Minar-e Pakistan. So you can put your hand here and feel the fresh air.
You mentioned what is this again?
This is the most impressive place of Lahore Fort. The Palace of Mirror was built by the great Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, especially for his wife for Mumtaz Begum. We used to live here.
Yeah.
The Palace of Mirror. Look around the wall. We used to have pictures from on the wall, covered with building, mirror glass, and still many of them there. Most of them is falling down with the passage of time. So there is a room where you can see when I'm going to put light. It's like a star on the ground.
Wow.
Look down. See, I'm turning the light. Now you can decide.
Yeah.
Using lighting on the corners when they are burning wooden wire, then the mirror to the mirror you can see the stars on the ground.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is the place they make especially for the wooden fire. During the winter it is hot and they making wooden fire. So from the corner you can see the security points. So look at over there. So over there in the middle of garden, that place we call Minar-e Pakistan. You know, on 23rd March 1937, they has attended the resolution meeting, and after that they decided to build a separate country. So we got separate in 1947. So this is the place where this soldier used to stand one by one with their weapons, and horses used to walk around the wall
Okay.
to protect from enemies
Okay.
during the evening.
So this is the starting point. Like they will stand, and then the enemies are there,
Yeah.
and they will have these weapons or
Yeah.
like bow and arrows.
Yeah.
The same in the movie.
Yeah, the same.
Uh,
So look at here on the top. There used to be hand painting, but repainted many times.
Oh, okay. So that's not the original anymore. It's a good place.
So now we go there.
One here, the former prime minister.
Yeah, go prison for some time.
Okay.
So these are the elephant step. Elephant used to pass during the 16th century.
Mm-hmm.
So over there you can see the place where the artists used to stand.
Artist?
Yeah. So
You mean
whenever there
they have
was
artists
family-
before?
Yeah, they used to have artists standing over there on the wall. And whenever the royal family passing from here, so they for the welcoming they playing instruments. So on the right side is the place summer basement. During the summer, upper portion is quite hot. Then they come.
They
down
come
to
here
stay
down
here.
to cool down.
Yeah. So these walls used to covered with hand paintings with the passage of time.
So there's a
It has
CCTV. So before there's already a CCTV before.
gone- Sorry.
There's already a CCTV before.
Yeah.
There CCTV.
No. About
I'm
about.
joking. Like in an ancient time, there's already CCTV.
No. These are about since 2013 they implemented the camera, but before there was no camera.
Okay. So this one here.
Yeah, so this is the same area for the artist standing there. This
So
side and this
so
area.
I thought that there's stairs. They use it as chairs. Like someone is standing there, and then here are the viewers. They're watching.
For the welcoming, the playing instrument and throwing flowers. So
Okay.
that's the place for welcoming.
All right. So guys, thank you for watching. This is the end of our tour here in Lahore Fort, and I'm thankful that I have Samuel with me, a guide. And guys, if you want to book your tour also here in Lahore, you can have Samuel's WhatsApp number. What's your number, Samuel?
So my number +920306449825. So all those want to discover, they are most welcome.
Yeah. All right. So again, guys, thank you very much. I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Travel with Jason. Again, travel while you can, because life has no rewind. Thank you, guys.